This is a tutorial on how to get to the right place to be to set up your partner accounts from FamilySearch.org. So if you belong to the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints and you've heard that you can have a free account with Ancestry or Find My Past or some of the others, this is how you get to it. So first you got to go to FamilySearch, and then you've got to log in. I'm already logged in. You see your name in the top right corner. And then you find the question mark to the left of your name. Click it, and it pulls up the help menu. To get to the partner sites, we have to go to the Help Center, which is all the way down at the bottom from this drop-down menu. So click on the Help Center. And then it takes you to a variety of topics, but not all of them. So you have to click View All to see all of them, and that's where you find the FamilySearch partners right there. So go ahead and click, and then once again, you just get a list of options for the partner sites. We're just going to go straight to Partner Access. And then, if you belong to the church, you can get a personal account with Ancestry, Find My Past, My Heritage, and so forth. All you got to do is click the Join for Free button. When you join for free, then it's just going to prompt you. It's going to take you to FamilySearch, but Partner Ancestry, as you can see up here in the URL. And then you're going to create your free account. And so that's all you do. You go through each of these one by one, and you just set up an account, but make sure that you are keeping it with the free account that's connected to FamilySearch for church members. Good luck.